Just wanted to make a video to talk to you guys about my American Express card. I just got it in the mail. I wanted you to open it with me. So we're gonna open it together. I already got the companion card. This is the companion card. I got it in the mail separately. This, I put my dad as the signatory to this companion card because I didn't have anybody else to put on there. And this is the card. This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna open it with you and let's see what the card actually presents like. So I already took it out of the envelope. That's how it came. It's like that. And I just took it out. So I believe right here, you just rip it like that and it's now open. And we slide it out. Oh, this is very convenient. So once you slide it out, that box is empty. So we're gonna put this to the side, right here. The card is right there. So now we'll open it up. There's some more information. I believe this is probably like the agreement and stuff like that. I'm gonna put that over here, and we're gonna remove the card. And there's a barcode over there to actually activate the card. And this is the card. And that's all there is to it. That's all it comes with the companion card in place. So I'm mostly going to be using this card for travel, Uber, anything that has to do with transportation, traveling, and things that are related to that field. I'm going to do more research on the card to find out other areas where the card is going to be very beneficial to winning points and scoring points, such as hotel bookings and flight ticket purchases. I'm in the travel industry. I rent cars and I lease cars to Uber drivers, so this will come in very handy as far as the transportation element. So that's my American Express Platinum card. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.